I love what everything is. Another Alaska. I think it's Alaska. Alright, that's SMC made. It's the same one as one in the front room, only two of the lights don't work. It still has the spotlight fitter. And this one spins slightly slower, as you can see it's on its low speed. Go up to medium. I think the power options are like bleached oak on the top of the head blades, but I'm too lazy to go up there and show you. For those breeze enthusiasts, there you are. There's your breeze shot. Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn it on high. This thing's weird. This thing vibrates. It has a very slight wobble, but this mostly vibration like the one downstairs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and more to come.